this thing on? Is it working? Ugh, I can't. Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, I'm in the view. Hey, okay. I guess we still got some action.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl.
Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time seeing me. To all of my besties that have been rocking with me for a while, this is probably your first time seeing me in quite some time. But you know what? The break that I had was much needed to gather myself, figure some things out, and realize a lot about myself. But don't think I wasn't working. I wasn't thinking about you guys while I was on my mental health break. I was. And so I just couldn't figure out, like, okay, do I just jump in? Do I do it now? And I sat down and I wrote out all the things that I want to do for the new year, and everything led back to getting back to what I love. So I wanted to start back with just doing a whole financial reset. I'm doing a whole like life reset as well. But over here on the channel, you guys know this is where your budget meets your best life, and my goal is to help you to manage the funds that you have and increase your income and build a solid foundation for your finances. So if you guys are looking for a channel that's going to give you all of that, encompassed with my personality being kind of crazy sometimes here and there, but giving you a nice laugh and a dose of reality and allowing you to breathe, I am your new best friend. So make sure you click the subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. All right, you guys, so today we're going to be talking about the financial reset. And even if you're not watching this video at the beginning of the year, whenever you need to do a financial reset, please make sure you do so. But at the top of the year, it just feels good to just recalibrate, reset yourself, and really refocus on what you are being intentional to do. So the first step is to assess your prior year. So what we normally do is we kind of review, like, oh, we did this. No, I need you to really take a good look at the things that worked well for you, as well as the things that did not work good for you. Like maybe you overspent in this area, but you saved in this area. So now you need to work on this one this year, right? So now you're able to see where your money went and how your spending went. Did something happen in your life? Like, did you lose a loved one? Did you lose a job? Did you start a new job? Did you have a baby? Did you get divorced? Did you get married? Those types of things matter as far as how you are calculating what you're going to be putting together for your budget or your goals. Anything, you need to be very intentional about what you're looking at as far as your prior year. All right, so step 2 is goal setting your finances. This is super important that you have already looked at what happened last year, what you did good, what you did. Now it's time to goal set yet again. So even if you've managed to get all those things checked off your box, redo them or set new goals. And maybe you didn't get a chance to do a lot of your goals because things happen. I mean, life happens. Guess what? It's time to reset those goals. So with that, you can either do, well, let me just tell you my recommendation. I recommend doing an overall year view of your goals and then breaking those down into quarters. So that'll give you January through March, April through May, April through June, July through September, and October through December. That's that whole financial background coming in, where you know your quarters like that. But that's what I would suggest, is that you set these overall goals and then you break them down so that you're able to like really achieve them. Like set yourself up for success. In quarter 1, I normally kind of make my goals mostly just getting back into the habits of things. That way I'm really putting the focus on being intentional with how I'm budgeting, with spending my money. Then from there in quarter 2, that's when I start hitting it home and going hard. Q2 and Q3 are like that Q2 and Q3 in a basketball game. Is gonna make or break you. But that final quarter is when I really kind of just take everything in, make sure I'm on the right track. If I miss something, making sure I'm catching up on that and getting to where I want to be towards the end of the year. So it's the final countdown when you get into Q4. So that's how you can break your goals down with your finances so that you can be most successful in your new year. And the last step, so now you've assessed, now you went ahead and you started doing your goal setting. Now it's time to put that action into plan. To make an action plan. you're gonna make a financial action plan. And that is literally just taking all those goals that you wrote down and really diving deep into how you can actually reach those goals. So again, if you're breaking them down by quarters or maybe by months or however you want to do it, you're going to really dive in deep. So if you're trying to save $1,000 in 3 months, you need to break that down and see how you can make that happen in 3 months realistically. Like maybe you need to break it down by the 3 months and then break it down by the weeks, maybe even by the days, like different things that you can do. But you're gonna put that plan into action. And this is going to help you reach those goals, stay on track, even when you fall off, because you'll have something to go back to that you're looking at to help you make sure you're getting to that next level, or just basically just reaching your goals that you're trying to get to. All right, you guys, so we have learned all of our steps, right? Let's go over it one more time. We are assessing our prior year so that we can actually put ourselves into a realistic mindset of what we did well, what we didn't do well, and how we can make it better. And 2, you're gonna goal set. Goal setting your financial lifestyle is going to be so mind-blowing and life-changing. And it sounds really super easy, but it's not until you do step 3, which is putting that into a plan, an action plan, a financial action plan. That's something that you can do, that you're going to be able to hold on to and know that this is your path, this is your level of success, and you are planning for success. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and as always, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. Now, your girl got to go get us some breakfast or something, okay? So I'm gonna catch y'all later. Mwah! KK, bye!
You're special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing.